In this video, I'm going to show you how to change passkey in Roblox. First, if you go to the home page, you can go to settings over here. Down in the settings, you're going to see the passkey here. Login method, 1 passkey. So go to manage and remove this one. So delete. And let's just verify this. So as you can see, after I verified, the passkey was removed. So I'm gonna add a new one. So just add passkey, continue. And here I'm gonna put the 2-digit codes again. So I get it from here, and I'll just let me just get that 2-digit codes. Enter it, and here it's gonna create the passkey. So here we'll create, and there I will put the passkey. So after you put your passkey, you click confirm, and that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.